Hey guys, so I wanted to show you an inside look at how I typically edit and color grade my aerial footage. Today we shot on the Inspire 2 in D Sign-like. Usually shoot in Sign-like because it's a little bit flatter and allows you to grade it a little bit deeper. So the first thing we're going to do is hop into our color panel. This gives us access to Lumetri color, which we can make all of our adjustments in. One of the first things I work on is the exposure. So we're going to pull our contrast up to about 45. Then our shadows are going to go down. This will give us a little bit more of that contrast that we're looking for. I used to shoot a bit flatter, and that's all about preference, but lately I've liked to give it a little bit more contrast. I usually take the saturation up to about 125 or so, just to give that color back. Another thing we can do is we can come into the curves chart, and this basically gives us access to the shadows down towards the bottom of the line, and then our highlights are up top. So I tend to pull down the shadows just a hair, and then we can pull up the highlights. Sometimes if the sky's blown out, you can pull the highlights down up here, but you don't want to go too crazy because it can sometimes make it look strange. So after that, we can come into the hue. The hue basically allows us to adjust specific colors throughout the frame. So if we came in here on the left side, anything that was orange would be adjusted here. I usually pull the yellows up just a little bit to give them more of an orange tone. As for the blues, we can adjust all of the blues in the setting. So I'll pull this up just a little bit. And I think that's looking pretty good. Take a look. Let's see what this looks like before and after. So overall, I think it's a good base color adjustment. We've added some warmth, we've added some contrast, and bumped up the saturation a little bit. I think we did a pretty good job. You can always further tune this image, but I think it's a good start. If you guys have any further questions or would like me to do a more detailed tutorial, please reach out below and let me know. Thanks.